All right, so I got the base on. My frame wasn't perfectly straight, so I had to sort of I tightened the back screws on, right? And then I shifted it with my thumb here, like over here, and once I got it straight along the edges, then I tightened the front area, the front screws, and then I tightened on the side screws. So now my frame is perfectly straight here, okay? So the last thing we're going to do with this base is put in the threaded inserts. So this is again an optional thing, but if you're going to be mounting things to it, if you're going to put jigs in it, all that sort of stuff, if you're going to go from like your CO2 to your diode to your mill, it's nice to have a 0 point. So I put holes in the base here so you could put M4 threaded inserts in there. So they're these little things. I'll try to get you a better picture. There we go. Right? And so they're threaded M4, and you just screw them in, and they should stick pretty well. Okay. So to put these in, if you don't have a CNC mill, these holes are going to be really hard to line up. You can watch the first video and try to get a really good idea as to where to put them and measure them out. If not, if you don't have a mill or you didn't laser cut the base or whatever, this part might be a little tough for you to get these holes in. But I designed this one to have it. So what you do here is I've got these holes in. I'm going to slightly countersink them. All right. And then I'm going to start screwing them in. Oh, I missed that one. There we go. Going to start screwing them in now. So they're right beneath flush. And once I get these things in, I can make little jigs that match up to these holes. So from the drawing you made, if you copied it, or if you didn't copy it, you're gonna have to extract the base from your original set of when you put the measurements in. And so, download or export the base as a DXF, and then you'll have the hole spacing in DXF form, and then you can laser cut or mill jigs that fit in these holes. It's also really good so I can cut out 2 circles, right, out of a piece of wood, and then make sure I have holes that align. And then in my program, I can have one circle be the front side, one circle be the back side. And I can either have it do one at a time or both at a time. And so I can have it do the images, right? Do the front side over here, do the back side over here, right? So front side, back side. And then flip them. And then get the front side of this one done and the back side of this, well, I guess, there we go. The back side of this one done. That way I can get two-sided things that are lined up perfectly. And it looks like I'm going to struggle with those ones, but I have right angles. All right. Maybe. Yes. Oh, there we go. Twisted it the other way to release it. If you're going to work close to the electrical plug, make sure it's not plugged in. It shouldn't be plugged in yet anyways. But some people like to test it out. Be careful around this switch because even once it's built, this will be open and live. You might want to cover it with hot glue or some sort of paste or even electrical tape to keep it safe back there. Okay, so there we go. 12 M4 insert nuts all installed and the frame straight now. So now I can install the gantry. That'll be the next video. Thanks for watching.